Today's micro lesson is about something incredibly simple yet profoundly regulating for our nervous system. Focus is the friend of feeling good. And in a world like ours where there's so much pressure that's easily available, there's alerts, there's responsibilities, there's stimulation that can seemingly be coming from every direction, this concept becomes even more important. Focus is the friend of feeling good. Not just any focus, but intentional focus. Modern day life is so full. It's full of noise, of notifications, of needs that can come at you from every which way, be it your kids, your work, your relationships, your inbox, your social media, and sometimes it can feel like it's coming at you all at once. But even if the tasks are considered normal that are on your plate, even if what's coming at you is good stuff, the constant intake can create something that the nervous system was not designed for, was not designed to handle at this level of intensity or frequency. What neuroscience shows us is that when input comes in faster than the thalamus and the reticular activating system can actually filter and organize, our systems get overloaded. And an overloaded system can't function at its best. It misreads cues, it reacts faster, it's fatigued more easily, it struggles to access clarity, creativity, and even to feel deeply connected. This does not mean that something is wrong or broken with you, with me, with anyone. It means that our nervous systems are trying the best they can to do what they were built to do under conditions that they were never built to live in. When the world around you is chaotic or overstimulating, your internal world can feel chaotic and overstimulating too. And the brain can start scanning everything, everywhere, all at once. Thoughts can feel scattered, emotions can heighten, bodies can tense. This is why intentional focus becomes powerful, so that scattered, overwhelming focus isn't grasping or reacting to everything all around it. Instead, focus, intentional focus, can act like an anchor. And not because we're trying to avoid reality, that's not what we're trying to do, but because when we focus with intention, we can actually help our nervous system reorient. And when we help our nervous system reorient on purpose, it can begin to function the way it's meant to more and more and more. You can think of it like this. When we are trying to see something through binoculars or a microscope, we have to adjust the lens. We have to focus the lens. We have to see, do we need to zoom in? Do we need to zoom out? Is this making it seem like everything's too much and I can't see anything? Or is this focus exactly where I need it to help me see what I need to see? So our systems can regulate, can calm, can operate more optimally. So focus gives your body a moment of, okay, I know where we are. I know what we're doing. It can give it a deep breath experience. It can help turn down the noise so more healing can occur, not so more escape can occur. Focus is not about escape. It's helping us with maintenance for our system. It's helping us with nourishment for our system. And it's what can allow us to live more fully, more deeply, and with more ease. So let's go ahead and try a brief practice that helps. Experience this focus is the friend of feeling good. Something you can use anytime. Whether you're sitting, standing, or laying down, allow your body to be in a comfortable position. And then when you're ready, let your eyes look around you. Let your eyes scan around you. And then allow them to fall on one single object of your choice. Choose just one. And once you've found what you want your eyes to settle on, allow your vision to begin to settle there for a moment. Notice what it's like to simply be here right now, choosing to have your eyes settle on this one thing for just a few moments. And then when you're ready, allow your awareness to float inward, inside of you, in your body. And notice one physical sensation is touching, is making contact with the environment around you, right here and right now. Maybe that's your feet on the ground, your back against a chair, your hands resting upon something. Go ahead and notice the sensation, the feeling, the experience of one part of your body making contact with one part of your environment. Right here, right now, you are choosing to focus with intention. Right here, right now, you're aware of your body and of your environment with focused intention. Take a slow inhale and a slow exhale. One more deep breath in through your nose. Slow exhale out of your mouth. And imagine your focus right here, right now, becoming even more aware right here and right now of your body making contact with your environment. Let your system orient to this moment, not the whole universe of demands, but this moment. This is not avoidance. It is recognition. It is reconnection. It is using your deliberate focus abilities, helping give your brain a way back to ease. Practicing with intentional focus, even if just for 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds, can begin to help your system connect with those moments more and more and more. And a system that gets moments of recovery, of reconnection, of intentional refocusing, it functions better. It can think more clearly. It can feel more secure. It can connect more deeply. It can move through life, supporting us with experiencing more steadiness and less internal noise, even if there's external stuff happening. So when life feels full, and it will, perhaps You'll remind your system that focus is the friend of feeling good, because your body is not asking for perfection. It's simply calling for direction.